Hello world and welcome to the channel. I am using this time to talk about Microsoft Teams, specifically navigation, content creation, content uploading, etc. So without further ado, let's dig into that. Now, when you open Teams for the first time, it may look similar to this, right? You have activities, chat, teams, calendars, all that kind of stuff. We're going to focus on teams. And your teams may be blank, so you might have to hit this little triangle at the top right left-hand corner of the teams, and you'll see a bunch of teams that I have put together. The one we're going to focus on today is Acute Care North Studio. So we're going to open that one and notice that there are several channels already. There's a general channel, a Daytona channel, a DeLand channel, and a New Smyrna channel. So the first thing I want to show you is how to create a new channel. So under the team, you're going to click the three dots and you're going to hit Add Channel. And so here we're going to call it something. In this case, we're going to call it Fish Memorial. And then make sure that so this channel automatically shows up in everyone's channel list. Hit OK. And then that's it. There's a new channel there, right? So we have Daytona, DeLand, Fish Memorial, New Smyrna. We have two more we're going to add real quick. We're going to add channel for Waterman. And we're also going to add a channel for Palm Coast. And that'll represent all the campuses that the North Studio is responsible for. So there's Palm Coast, and they're all there. So that's fairly straightforward. Adding channels is really pretty easy. And then within those channels, you can do a bunch of stuff, right? So on the General tab, you can see I have already created a welcome message, but I also can create tabs across the top, or I can upload files into a repository. So I'm going to show you both. So the posts are what it sounds like. This is just a place where we can comment to each other. Hey, to check this out, send a link, URL to something. In addition, you can hit this add a tab, and then it'll say what kind of tab or what kind of information do you want to add. Do you want to do a calendar? Do you want to do issue reporting? Do you want to do a whiteboard? What do you want to do here? PowerPoint. I'm going to actually upload a Microsoft Word document that I think is useful for all of us, and it's a template I've been using for a little while to write letters to Akka. So it's a letterhead template that I've been using, and you can, if you find it useful, you can use it or you can tweak it. So I'm going to navigate to where I have that stored, and here it is, Advent Letterhead. Click that and hit save. And what you'll see now is here is a Microsoft Word. So I can edit this in Word and then, you know, share it or download it or print it or do a bunch of different things. But notice how it showed up here as a tab, right? So that's one way of adding content. Now under files, you can add entire folders or add individual files this way too. So I'm going to do upload and I'm going to do folder. And again, navigating to my personal OneDrive, or sorry, to my work OneDrive, I'm going to upload, let's see, standards CX. So I've been working with Mohammed and Brian on creating um, a commissioning proposal. So when we submit RFPs or solicit RFPs, so this is a good place to store it. So I'm going to hit upload, and notice that entire folder is there now under the general tab, right? So I can click the folder, you see all the different subfolders, the Word documents, and everything contained within. So it's a really helpful way to share what I think is a really helpful way of sharing documents by tab, in this case general. There's that folder, and you can see that the others have nothing. So hopefully that was helpful. This wasn't intended to be super time consuming, just a real quick video to explain how you can navigate teams and you can share information with your team, both by channels and by tabs. Have a great rest of your time.